Next, why don't we test out my Apple MagSafe battery pack with this case? Boom, we can just slap it right on, and also charging. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect-Mist case for none other than my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So now, before I start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending it out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Speck over here on the side, Presidio Perfect-Mist right here on the front, and we've also got a big clear area to actually see the case itself. It says built for MagSafe because yes, it does have MagSafe magnets built in, which is awesome because I'm a huge fan of MagSafe, and it is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That is my phone. It's got 13 feet of drop protection, microbond, antimicrobial technology, and a clear guarantee. Over here on the back, it talks a little bit more about that clear guarantee, the built for MagSafe, the drop protection, and that antimicrobial product protection as well. But anyway, let's just open this up and check out the case. Speck makes this unboxing super duper easy. You just got to slide it right out, and there is the case. We can put the box to the side, and let's actually put my iPhone right into it. So here is my iPhone. So we've got my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here, and let's just pop it right in, and boom, just like that, the case is all on it, nice and easy. So let's take a quick walk around tour of the case. Over here on this side, we've got a cutout for the mute switch. Let's make sure that works. Yes, it does. As you can see, the dynamic island tells you when you're muting and unmuting. Over here, we got the volume buttons. Let's play with these. Okay, they are a bit hard to press, and it kind of, you know, maybe hurts my finger a little right there because they're pretty solid volume buttons. And over here on the side, we have the side button right there. And as you can see, that activates the always on display on this phone, the new feature. Over here on the bottom, we have a cutout for the lightning port as well as cutout for the speaker grills, two of those right down here. And on the back, we can see we have the MagSafe magnets. Kind of, you know, a little more difficult to see them because this is a translucent rather than transparent case. You know, it's got the blue instead of, I guess, just being entirely clear. Up here, we have the Speck logo, and over here we have a massive cutout for the rear iPhone 14 Pro Max camera bump right here, obviously pretty big, and you can see the deep purple color of my iPhone. And I think this pretty dark blue right here, this like navy blue, looks really good with the deep purple of my iPhone because as you guys can see, both of the colors have a similar level of darkness, and I just think they look really nice together. Also, first impressions wise, this case feels nice and slim in the hand, so I like that as well because, you know, obviously iPhone, you want it to not be super duper bulky. That's why you get such a premium and nice phone. But let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe on this case. We can grab my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here, and let's just go right ahead and plop my iPhone with this case on top of it. And as you can see, it snaps right on with those magnets and starts charging. So it sticks just fine, obviously just as expected. Next, why don't we test out my Apple MagSafe battery pack with this case? Boom, we can just slap it right on, and also charging. As you can see, the dynamic island, and this tells you right there. So obviously that works. It's nice and solid on there. And yeah, I mean, with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this Speck Presidio Perfect-Mist case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. For me, I mean, I like it. It's slim, it's minimalistic, and I also think this dark blue color goes well with the deep purple color of my iPhone. But if you guys do want this case for yourselves, it will set you back about $50. And this particular shade of blue is called Coastal Blue, by the way, just so you know that. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys are looking for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 14 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.